Okay, so first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Jill, I believe that would be you here. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how to increase the value of your company and get some exposure with the website over Google. There are three major factors that come into play here: content, backlinks, and citations. Excuse me. So you do understand every time that you're typing something here into the search bar of Google, those are keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit your search for the words that you've typed in. Search engine optimization. Now, Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords that are typed in, and then Google categorizes those websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Now, typically, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. So, for example, I typed in plumber for Oaks. Here we go. We have some ads at the top. We know that this is the map section, or also known as the map pack. Ranking in the map pack is directly related to your Google business profile and citations. Citations reflecting name, address, and phone number as your profile is built or created. If you don't have a Google business profile, it is highly recommended to build one. It directly connects your business to the citations and it exposes you in the map with the service area that you want to cover when people are searching plumber near me. And then you pop up here. Underneath the map is where organic rank takes place. Now, organic rank takes place with content and backlinks or keywords. Angie does not count. That is an advertisement. Yelp does not count. That is an advertisement, especially Home Advisor. You want your business and your website to organically rank on the first page. So, for example, we have Freeding Plumbing Services here, and we also have them right here in the map. So that's excellent. To show you how this works and what's going on behind closed doors, this is their website here, Freedom Plumbing Services, and I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs shows me what's going on with the website and how well this company is doing. Now, I mentioned backlinks. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. It is a major ranking factor. From that, there's 13 referring domains. And then we have content and keywords. Now, they're using 22 keywords, which is generating them 5 views a month in traffic, but they are up in the maps. To give you an idea of how this works, or to peek in here a little bit, each time these keywords are plugged in, I can see how many times per month they're being searched. So this is the volume for this particular keyword, Freedom Plumbing, 700. So let's get a little more specific. Freedom Water, no, we don't want Freedom Water heaters because, well, you see that's 70. Plumbing Services, Clayton, North Carolina, 200 times. Plumbers in Goldsboro, North Carolina, 350. Plumbers Clayton again. Plumbing Service, Raleigh, 100 times. So the idea behind this is for you to see that all of these keywords totaled per month that are searched create a really high amount of volume and a lot of exposure when your content and your keywords are put into your website correctly, so that whoever is searching for something, Google finds the content within your website and knows that you are trusted and that you are an authority of what you're doing through the backlinks that endorse you, excuse me, and the citations that you have with name, address, and phone number, and of course where you are within the map. So it's extremely important to have a well-built website. A lot of companies can build websites beautifully, but some of them will fall short with content and SEO. You will think to yourself, I got a website, but I'm not getting any traffic. What is going on? Without it being built correctly, I like to use the analogy, it's like a business card on a desert island. You can't see it. It needs to be specific. It needs to be to your search area. It needs to be around the places that you want to cover. Your content needs to be there. Once Google sees your business being referenced, the more often your competitors are more likely to bring value to you because you're going to get exposure from those keywords within your site. This is amazing how this works. Once you can get this content and these backlinks and the citation to come together, you'll start to outrank, you will start to grow, you will start to have exposure, you will generate traffic, you will create leads, and then that becomes sales. So I just wanted to take the time to break this down. Hopefully this was insightful for you and you have a better understanding how companies and businesses reach the first page of Google or why they're there. Most people don't scroll past the first page of Google. So it's important to have a well-built site. If you have any questions or would like me to do some research and find out what your goals are for your business and looking into a website, I'm more than happy to talk with you. Again, thanks for your time and have a good night.